Hello everyone, my name is Adrian Tanase. I am a computer science student at Gull Lake High School, and today I will show you how declaring variables in Python works. So here I have zoomed in for you. The mouse right here, you can see is circling around. That will always be where located at the topic that I am currently talking about at the moment. So let's get started. Here are the single line comments that identify they identify the programmer, the date that this was made, and the program. Here is a multi-line comment that explains what a variable is. Let's read it. A variable equals, a variable in Python has a name that stores something of value. It is like a container that holds data which you can use throughout your program. Declaring a variable equals, declaring a variable involves specifying its data type and name, and optionally assigning it an initial value to make it available for use in a program. So that's the end of the multi-line comment. We're going to use what it describes in this multi-line comment throughout this video. So first off, name equals Adrian Tanase. That is the first variable. So the name variable equals Adrian Tanase, and that is text, so it will use that. Another one, first underscore name equals Adrian Tanase. Now this is the underscore variable. That is how one way to combine two words into one variable. The other way, last name with a capital N equals Tanase. This is called camel case. It is the other version of how to combine two words into a single variable in Python, and it is I personally prefer to use it. Now look at the other variables that he has here. Age equals 14 and height equals 5.7, since I am 5'7". These are both, well, one is an integer, the other one, 5.7, is a decimal, but these are both numbers and they are blue, so that means they can be used in math, but we are not gonna go into that in this video. So here are the other ones. These are called Boolean expressions, and they just state whether something is true or false. So here it states is student, and that is true, and is teacher, that is false. So that means it is true that I am a student, but it is false that I am a teacher. Now let's see it run. So now here I have made the screen smaller so that you can see what happens. So let's run the program. Now here, down here, I'll make it bigger. Well, alright, but in my terminal, which is where what I program goes into, you can see what happens. So prints. So here is calling our variables so that they can be printed. So it says print name, last name, age, height, and is student. So what you students are going to do, first off, it's going to print name, Adrian Tanase, so it's going to write down my name. Then it's going to print last name, Tanase, since that's my last name, my age, 14, my height, 5.7, and is student, which is true. Let's run it. Okay, so now we are about to run the program. Okay, Adrian Tanase, my name, printed my name, which equals Adrian Tanase. Tanase, printed my last name, which equals Tanase. 14, printed my age, which equals 14. 5.7, it printed my height, which equals 5.7, and true. It printed whether I am a student, and that is true. So that is how declaring variables works in Python. Thank you for watching the video, and goodbye.